It's 5 years in jail for the country's biggest superstar Salman Khan. Pradeep Gharat, the public prosecutor, is speaking. Let's quickly listen in.
134, 181, 182, 184, 185 of the Motor Vehicles Act.
क्या जिस तरीके से ये मामला चला कोर्ट में आप संतुष्ट हो?
देखिए, मैं जैसा हमेशा कहता आ रहा हूँ कि हम न्यायालय के देखिए मेरा ऐसा कहना है कि हम हमारे तरफ से जो सच है वो बाहर लाने की पूरी कोशिश की और न्यायालय ने भी आज ये स्वीकार किया है कि आरोपी ने गुनाह किया है और हमारी जो न्यायालय के सामने आर्ग्यूमेंट है कि इस तरह का गुनाह फिर से ना हो, इसके लिए आरोपी को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो सजा
क्वांटम ऑफ पनिशमेंट से आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
देखिए, क्वांटम ऑफ पनिशमेंट के लिए जो रीजंस रहते हैं, जो वजह रहती है, अभी तक हमारे हाथ में कॉपी नहीं आई है, तो जब तक मेरे हाथ में जजमेंट की कॉपी नहीं आती मैं उस पर कुछ कॉमेंट नहीं कर सकता।
अशोक सिंह का जो बात है कि आपने गाड़ी चलाया था
न्यायालय का कहना ऐसा है कि अशोक सिंह की जो गवाही है न्यायालय के सामने वो बिल्कुल झूठ गवाही है और उसे स्वीकार किया नहीं जा सकता।
आइए सत्यनारायण साहब, सत्यनारायण जी, सत्यनारायण अंकुर सलमान आ गया, लाइव काट रहे आइए सत्यनारायण साहब।
And those are pictures of superstar Salman Khan earlier today. He's been found guilty, culpable homicide, not amounting to murder. That's the main charge against him. He's been found guilty. He was driving under the influence of alcohol and he did not have a driving license. Salman Khan also fled from the accident site. Now, the public prosecutor in this case, the state of Maharashtra, they sought exemplary punishment against him because they wanted it to send a message to others who drive. Once again, let's listen in to Satyanarayan, the DCP. The police succeeded in presenting a coherent case. There was evidence that the judge believed. In fact, Ashok Singh, Salman Khan's driver, who claimed he was at the wheel at the time of the accident, his testimony was not accepted by Judge Deshpande, who made it very clear when he delivered his verdict earlier today. He said he looked at Salman Khan and said, "You were driving the car." So that effectively sealed the case for Salman Khan. 5 years punishment. He'll now be taken for a medical examination. He will be sent to Mumbai's Arthur Road jail. And the public prosecutor, Pradeep Gharat, just a short while back, he said they sought exemplary punishment for Salman Khan so that it is a message, it is a lesson for others who may think that they can drink and drive and get away with it. There is one message, there is one lesson that comes out of this verdict. Howsoever high you may be, the law is above you. One person was killed, 4 others were injured when Salman Khan had a couple of drinks at an upscale pub in Mumbai's Juhu area in the year 2002. He was driving back home in a Toyota Land Cruiser SUV. That car banged into the pavement. There were 5 people who were sleeping on the pavement. 1 was killed, 4 others were injured. Headlines today's Ankit Tyagi has been watching this case very closely and he joins us from the Sessions Court in Mumbai. Ankit, Salman Khan and his lawyers are waiting for the operative portion of the judgment so that they can file an appeal in the High Court. What's the latest?
That's right, Gaurav. They are waiting for the judgment so that they can approach the High Court. That's the defense. In fact, they were already preparing for it. But a big blow to Salman Khan, to many of his fans, and of course his family inside is completely inconsolable. Both the sisters are crying. In fact, when the judge came back after a slight delay because of power failure inside the court, he came back and he looked at Salman Khan and said, I sentence you for 5 years. At that time, Salman Khan, in fact, was seen crying inside the court. So it took 13 years, but now Salman Khan has been sentenced for 5 years in this hit and run case of 2002. Very quickly, Gaurav, what is happening inside? So as of now, though Salman Khan has been taken into custody, his fingerprints have also been taken. He's still inside the courtroom. Once, because of the failure of electricity, the judgment could not be typed. All those proceedings are going on. Certain paperwork that Salman Khan will have to sign. From there, he will be taken to the Arthur Road jail, where he will have to stay till the time his lawyers cannot procure a bail from him from either the Mumbai High Court or later, a situation comes to it from the Supreme Court. So till that time, Salman Khan will have to spend those whatever number of days, hours, weeks, or so and so forth inside the jail. His brother Arbaz Khan is still inside the court. Both his sisters are inside the court. Baba Siddiqui, one of a very close family friend, a former Congress MLA, he is also inside the court. Salman Khan was, in fact, just a while back was seen speaking to Baba Siddiqui. In the morning, Gaurav, there were a lot of fans, those who were expecting, were hoping for a miracle. They were saying that we would like Salman Khan.
Stay with me for a moment. Let's listen in to Senior Public Prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam.
5 साल की सजा होने के कारण सजा और सस्पेंड तहकूब करने का अधिकार सिर्फ उच्चतम न्यायालय यानी हाईकोर्ट को है। शायद आज जजमेंट की स्टेनो कॉपी लेके सलमान खान हाईकोर्ट में अपील दर्ज कर सकता है और अंडरटेकिंग भी दे सकता है कि आज 12 साल तक की एक पुरानी केस थी, मैं जमानत पे था और इसलिए मुझे जब तक कॉपी नहीं मिलती तब तक मुझे जमानत ये सेंटेंस सस्पेंड की जाए। शायद ये हो सकता है, लेकिन अब सब निर्भर है कि सलमान के वकील किस तरह से कानूनी कार्रवाई पेश करते हैं।
5 साल की सजा के अलावा क्या क्या
तुम्हाला कुठे माहिती, मी जो होतो
अंदाज?
So Ujjwal Nikam, they're saying one option for Salman Khan at this point of time is approach the Superior Court, which is the Bombay High Court at this stage, and say, till I get a copy of the order, the sentence should be suspended. I have been out on bail for the past 12 years and I have accepted the majesty of the court in every case. So I may be granted bail till the time I have a copy of the verdict. It remains to be seen the legal option that his lawyers, that his legal team exercises. But I want to quickly also bring in Firoz and Begum Jahan. Firoz Nurullah के बेटे हैं जो उस एक्सीडेंट में मारे गए थे और आप इस समय हमारे साथ हैं। फिरोज, 5 साल की सजा हुई है सलमान खान को, क्या आप इससे संतुष्ट हैं?
समझ नहीं आता।
फिरोज, मेरी आवाज आप तक पहुंच रही है?
अरे वो बोल रहे हो आप 5 साल की सजा दे हो
जी।
फिरोज तुझे पूछते हैं ना।
बेगम जहान, आप बताइए, 5 साल की सजा मिली है उस अपराध के लिए। 2002 में ये जो वाकया आपके साथ हुआ था, 5 साल की सजा, क्या कहेंगे आप?
तो उससे कम ही दे दे तो सही होगा।
कम
5
दिया?
साल की सजा कम ही दे दो, 3 कम ही दे दो।
कितनी मिलनी चाहिए?
अब कितनी मिले? 3 साल का सजा दे दो।
आपको लग रहा है ज्यादा मिला, लेकिन एक बात बताइए, आपको जो मुआवजे की बात थी, मुआवजे की बात अदालत में तो हुई नहीं, क्या सलमान खान से, उनके परिवार से आपको कोई मुआवजा मिला या किसी मुआवजे की आपको उम्मीद है?
नहीं, कुछ भी उम्मीद नहीं है। कुछ मिला भी ना कुछ उम्मीद रही अभी उसमें।
आप चाहते हैं कि वो मुआवजा मिले?
हाँ, तो हमारे बच्चे लोग की जिंदगी और सुधर जाए और कुछ ऐसा है।
क्या आपने कभी सलमान खान से या उनके परिवार से मुआवजे की मांग की?
नहीं थी।
अपनी तरफ से उन्होंने कोई पेशकश की?
नहीं।
क्या आप चाहते हैं कि आपको कितना मुआवजा मिलना चाहिए? आप ये कह रही हैं कि सलमान खान को जो 5 साल की सजा मिली वो ज्यादा मिल गई, 3 साल ही देना चाहिए था। कितना मुआवजा आप चाहते हैं कि एक बार फिर, हालांकि अब 13 साल बीत चुके हैं, कि फिरोज अपना जीवन एक नए रूप में शुरू कर सकें?
हाँ।
फिरोज, कितना मुआवजा चाहते हो?
इतना सामने से जो जितना बोले हैं उतना ही हम मिल जाता, मेरे अच्छा ही मेरे लिए।
कितना बोले हैं?
कोई मतलब ज़्यादा कोई बोला इतना मैं सब मुँह से सुना हूँ, मैं उनके सलमान खान से मिला भी नहीं हूँ।
हम लोग किसी से मिले गिले नहीं, खाली टीवी में दे रहे हैं, खाली सलमान खान 10 लाख रुपया जमा करें, उससे हम लोग कुछ सुनते नहीं थे।
तो 10 लाख रुपए सुना था टीवी पर कि मिलेगा, लेकिन मिला कुछ नहीं।
हाँ, अभी कुछ मिला भी नहीं है।
फिरोज, आपने कोई प्रयास किया, कोई कोशिश की सलमान खान से मिलने की?
हाँ, कोशिश तो मैंने बहुत किया था, वो मेरे को कोई मिलने नहीं कोई जाने नहीं जाता मिलने के लिए।
कैसे कोशिश की, क्या किया?
बाबा से
मतलब एक दूसरे से बोल के हैं, मतलब जैसा तुम कोई उनके मिलने मतलब उनसे मिल नहीं सकते हैं, ऐसा बोले थे।
तो आज जब 5 साल की सजा मिली सलमान खान को, जब अदालत ने अपना फैसला सुनाया, तुम्हारे मन पे क्या बीत रही थी फिरोज?
हमारे पे कुछ त्याग बेटे, मतलब उनको सजा तो होना नहीं चाहिए था। मेरे बोलने का मतलब यही है, उनको सजा से कभी वो सच्ची नहीं होना चाहिए था, कभी भी बिल्कुल सजा नहीं होना चाहिए था उनको।
सजा नहीं होनी चाहिए थी उनको।
हाँ,
अब मिलने की कोशिश करोगे सलमान खान?
हेलो,
हाँ,
सर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
हाँ बताओ।
मतलब जाने वाला तो कोई आपस ला नहीं सकता है।
सही बात।
अब उनको तो सजा लेके मतलब ही नहीं है, जेल में जाके वो उनके लिए क्या होएगा, तकलीफ ये भी होएगा, जैसा मैं तकलीफ में हूँ तो उनको भी तकलीफ होगा ना फिर।
सही बात।
इसलिए मेरा यही बोलने का मतलब है, और कोई आगे नहीं,
कि 10 लाख रुपए मिल जाए और सजा ना हो उनको।
हाँ, मतलब जो मेरी गरीबी में चल रहा, जैसा मैं काट रहा हूँ, वो जब मेरी जिंदगी जब मिले अपने घर बच्चों से सवाल कर बस।
तो पिछले 10 साल में एक पैसा नहीं मिला, किसी ने कोई कुछ नहीं, कुछ बोला भी नहीं कि पैसे ले लो, मामला ना हो, रफा दफा हो जाए?
कोई भी नहीं बोला।
Acha. Now, let me also bring in Bishwajit Bhattacharya, who's a senior advocate of the Supreme Court on this 5 years prison for Salman Khan. What next now? How soon can his legal team approach the High Court? How soon can they expect that perhaps Salman Khan can get bail? Or will he spend tonight in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail?
He is likely to spend tonight in jail, because I don't think until and unless the High Court is actually moved, the matter is listed before the Bombay High Court, and Bombay High Court hears the matter, and then in its own discretion Bombay High Court has the power to suspend the sentence. So I think till the matter is heard in the Bombay High Court, Salman Khan will have perhaps no option but to spend his time in the jail.
Okay, now Salman's lawyers made a very emphatic appeal in court. One, they wanted some mitigating factors, perhaps seeking a lenient sentence, seeking a 3-year sentence. The judge, the learned judge in his wisdom, gave 5 years in jail. Would any of these mitigating factors help Salman Khan get bail, whether it's his medical condition or the fact that he's been doing good work or the fact that it'll take some time for him to get the verdict? So till the time he gets a verdict, the sentence should be suspended and he should be out on bail.
You see, in these type of cases, once the matter is moved before the appellate court, in the High Court here, for example, High Court has the discretion to suspend the sentence. And there are chances that mitigating factors or not mitigating factors, because after all, every accused, howsoever grave the charges may be, and it has been proved now by virtue of the trial, he has the right to appeal in the higher forum. And once the matter, till the matter is decided by the higher forum, right, the chances are there that the High Court may, in its own wisdom, having regard to the overall facts and circumstances of the case may, suspend the sentence. But that is a matter which is in the realm of discretion of the court.
Yes.
And not really so much on the, the mitigating factors and circumstances. Mitigating factors and circumstances weigh maximum before the trial court.
And before the sentencing, which has already happened in this case.
Which has already happened.
Okay, Ankit, I want to quickly bring you in on this. Salman Khan's family is still in court. Salman Khan, we are told, is to be taken into custody, would be taken to Arthur Road jail. But how does that pan out? Does he get the verdict first? His legal team approaches the High Court today, or will they study the judgment and then approach the Superior Court? Okay, we'll try and reestablish that line with Ankit Tyagi in just a moment. It's 5 years in jail for actor Salman Khan. His lawyers pleaded for a lenient sentence. His lawyers pleaded that he had been doing good work. He had a medical condition. In fact, they even submitted a medical certificate in court. Ankit Tyagi once again joins us. Ankit, what's happening in Mumbai? Has the operative portion of the verdict been given to the family?
Well, we are expecting it to be given any time. In fact, as I told you earlier, Gaurav, that because of the electricity failure, the judge could not, the order could not be typed. So it is in the process right now. Salman Khan is still inside the court. But very important thing also coming in from the prosecution. They are, apart from securing a conviction of 5 years for Salman Khan, now they are moving to press the charges of perjury against the driver, who in fact, Ashok Singh, who in fact had in the later stage of the case come in and said that it was him who was behind the wheels. The judge has completely disregarded his testimony, and he has in fact pronounced Salman Khan guilty. So now the prosecution is also moving for perjury charges against that driver. Very important, Gaurav, also was the testimony of Ravinder Patil.
Yes.
The police bodyguard who was given to Salman Khan, who was in fact with Salman Khan when this accident took place, and he was the person who had in fact said that Salman Khan was under the influence of alcohol. He also said that it was against his advice that Salman should not drive. He was driving the car, and that resulted into this accident. Although he's passed away during the course of this entire trial, but that was a very important testimony because it was given, it was registered in front of a magistrate under section 164. That has been one of the very crucial evidence that the Sessions Court in fact here has taken under consideration. So a lot of twists and turns, but as of now, yes, Salman Khan inside. We are waiting for the court to give the copy of the judgment to the family, to the defense, so that they can move High Court. Meanwhile, he has of course been taken into custody, and the procedures, he is in fact signing the D form, which is also called the custody form or the conviction form inside, and other paperworks are taking place, Gaurav.
Okay, now we know that some of Bollywood stars considered very close to Salman Khan, they are at his house. Have somebody come here also to be with him, apart from his family, apart from his brothers and sisters?
No Bollywood stars here at the court. Of course, you can also understand the kind of ruckus that would have created if any of his famous Bollywood friends would have come here. But yes, we are hearing reports that a few of the colleague actresses, actors that he has worked with, few friends from the fraternity, are in fact visiting the Galaxy apartment in Bandra where Salman Khan lives. There's a beeline of high-profile visitors already at his house. We will have to wait and see how the process goes ahead from here. Because if he is taken to the Arthur Road jail, then he will only be released once his lawyers are able to get a bail from the Mumbai High Court, and it might take some time before that happens. So a lot of anxiety, anxiousness as far as family and friends are concerned. Very disappointed with the entire verdict. Also, Gaurav, a lot of money riding on Salman Khan.
Yes.
In terms of the movies that he's doing, about 10 brands that he endorses.
Yes.
So a lot of about 600 crores in total riding on Salman Khan. All that would be a worry for many people, those who have been associated with Salman Khan, the actor.
And let me put that question to Bishwajit Bhattacharya, who's with us in the studio. As a lawyer, tell us, if there is 200 crore riding on Salman Khan, if there are movies that are under production, 2 under production, 10 others that he's signed, Will this work on the judges in the High Court, that so many livelihoods are at stake, and if Salman Khan is sent to jail for 5 years, they will be affected, and that is why till the time they're hearing this case, he should be granted bail? Does that work?
Gaurav, I don't think it will work at all, because what will weigh with the Superior Court and High Court is solely the basically merits of the case, and the fact that ultimately the High Court will have to X-ray and basically scrutinize the judgment of Justice Deshpande.
Yes.
And it will depend solely on the legal issues.
Yes.
And the balance of convenience. Balance of convenience based on the fact that suppose judge in the Honorable High Court, they decide to suspend the sentence. Now, what are the consequences of suspending the sentence? At the highest, what will happen is that he will consequentially, he will get bail, and the court will hear the merits of the case, and finally either, confirm the sentence and conviction, or set it aside. So that the legal remedy the court will always have, but I don't think the court will be swayed by any commercial considerations personally of Salman Khan.
Or others who are associated with the film industry, whose livelihoods are at stake. We will continue to track this story very closely. Have to slip into a quick break here. Quick break, back with the headlines and our top stories. Stay with us.